haven't done much cleaning around the house lately, so today's video is going to be super quick. I got another early Christmas present, so I'm going to put together my new standing desk. Before I put it together, of course, I'm going to clear out the old one and just pile all this stuff over on my bed so I can sort through it and put it somewhere later.
I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool.
Of course, I can't start any project without the supervisors on site. Do you see them over in the corner? For now, I'm just moving this desk over to the guest bedroom, but I'm going to take my white nail desk that's currently in there and give that to my daughter for her house, and then I'm going to use this desk in the guest bedroom. My desk used to be on a different wall over there where my dresser is, and I recently moved it over here to the wall that I just removed it from. But you see that spot on the wall there? That probably took only about 6 or 8 months for all of that dust to build up right there.
Clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather, but I can't hide, I get low at the same time.
I originally started taking all the plastic off the pieces as I was unpacking this box, but I quickly realized the packaging is lettered and I need those letters to put the things together in order. So that's why I took one off and then stopped and left the rest in all the packaging.
But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again.
It only took me about an hour to put this desk together, and while I'm sitting here putting it together, you'll see me looking up at the TV in my room. I'm watching Joanna Thornton paint her kitchen cabinets.
I will get up again. On the run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on.
You don't always see my dogs in my video because sometimes I edit them out, but the majority of my videos, they are literally right there at my side. As you can see right here, my girl dog, Queen, she keeps inching closer and closer to try and sit next to me, and I've edited that part out where I've stopped what I'm doing to pet her and pay attention to her, but I finally just had to send her away because she kept trying to sit next to me while I'm doing this, and she just kept getting in the way.
In the heat from my hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain.
I sped this video up really fast so that you could see the whole process pretty quickly, which is something that I actually like in videos. But when you see me lay down on the floor here, I'm taking all these cables and of course I'm putting them into the power strip, and then I'm going to put the power strip up inside the little cable holder thing. I don't know what that's called. One of the cables actually fell down and hit me in the face, and I have like a little red mark on my forehead from where the power cable slammed into my face.
Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. As my head over my back between the jars and bottle jars.
Because this desk moves up and down, obviously, I'm checking all the cables when they're plugged in to make sure that when the desk moves all the way up or all the way down, it doesn't jerk it out of the wall or from the little things I just installed to hold them down the side and hide all the cables. I just love finding stuff like this when I clean out my desk.
Memories just lingers on.
When I unpacked everything from my old desk, I found there's actually quite a lot of stuff in here that I don't actually use either in my room or for work, so I took all of that stuff and relocated it to other parts of the house. So of course now it's more spread out, but I used to have like garbage bags that I put in my trash can right here. I used to have paper for my printer, just random things like that that don't have to be stored in here, and now that I don't have the desk with all the drawers, I can't store that stuff in here, so I put it out in other areas of my house. Thanks again for selecting my video to watch today and kill 6 minutes of your time. I do appreciate it, so if you liked it, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.